I just made some awesome ribeyes with Tango Joe, Tango Spice Company Midnight Espresso. We're gonna add some shrimp to that. I'll leave a link to the ribeye. Let's get the garlic olive oil shrimp in the air fryer. DeLonghi. It's Papa Texas. Papa's Kitchen. Let's go. Am I using any measurements? No! I like butter. We'll put that baby in there. Throw some minced garlic in there. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna get in trouble for that. That's a lot. Just throw a little bit more butter in there. We'll put a little cracked pepper in there. Add a little bit of olive oil. Alright, so we're gonna mix this up. And what I'll do is I'll cook her for about a minute and we get the shrimp on. And we'll see how long we cook that shrimp. Things I use on my videos are in my Amazon store. Link is down below. Let's go get the shrimp. Here's my shrimp. All right, now we're just gonna dump them in there. I rinsed them off. They're deveined, detailed, ready to go. Do not overcook your shrimp. Get it all over them. We're gonna go for 2 minutes. All right, we're at the 2-minute mark. Let's see what she looks like. You want your shrimp, I think it's 130, but what I go by is the color. All right, there's my second 2 minutes. They're getting pink. I should have gone 3 minutes each. At this point in time, I'm gonna tell you do 3 minutes and 3 minutes. Let's find out if it can get it done in another 2. All right, there's our third 2 minutes. Kind of scared to, there's 6 minutes. We're going another 2. All right, we're at our next, I think that makes 8 minutes, but it's gonna hit 10 minutes, y'all. 2 more minutes. All right, we're at the 10-minute mark. Here's the bowl for it. I'm just gonna take that one. Oh, tastes good. A flavor. Well, it's above 130. We're good. I'm gonna take her. I'm gonna dump her in there with the sauce. I'm gonna put it with the rest of the cook. And so it continues to cook just a little bit, but it'll settle down. Bam! Just like that, there's my meal. Another video. Oh yeah, it's freaking awesome. Hey folks, this is Papa Texas. This is freaking awesome. Watch both videos, and we will see you on the next one. Hit that bell. Helps me out. It's free to hit. You know, it's free to share. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. See ya.